This video will explain the SQ4R method of active reading. By engaging this method when you read your textbooks, you can overcome many of the difficulties you may encounter when dealing with hard-to-read and hard-to-understand material. SQ4R is an acronym for Survey, Question, Read, Reflect, Recite, and Review. Flip through the chapter quickly to get a sense of what is covered. Look at headings and key terms and read the final paragraph. Turn headings into questions to guide your reading. You can keep track of your questions by using the Cornell method of note-taking. Read the chapter, looking for the answer to the questions you posed. Think about what you have read and relate it to other information you have learned. Without looking at the text, restate your question and formulate an answer in your own words. At the end of the chapter, look over your notes and familiarize yourself with key points. Use the SQ4R method the next time you read from your textbook to better understand what you read. Happy studying!